Alright, we got something coming. It's another Metra. That's strange. Look at that, it's on the center track. I think it has to be. This train terminates in West Chicago. Oh, what a nice old cast P5. I think that's old cast. That guy's going really slowly over those lines. Okay. There is absolutely nobody on this train. This train is going directly into the yard at Elburn. This train is terminated here in West Chicago. Station's a little bit easy. Going awfully slow. Whoop. We'll watch it go over there for a minute. It's awesome. Okay,